So what is motion design? What is motion graphics? Who is a motion designer? And what do they do? Hello everybody, my name is King Sam and I'm a freelance motion designer, so I think I know what I'm talking about. So first of all, let's take a brief history lesson. Story. Once upon a time, so a long time ago in the before times, where people only saw black and white and colors were not invented yet, people painstakingly drew logos and made posters by hand, and kudos to them because come on, no easy. Then TV, cinema and film were created, and people today thinking, what about if our pictures that we draw already can move? And that's how the frame by frame animation was created. It was originally in black and white, then bit by bit it moved to color. Now in the 70s, computer-generated graphics was invented and it was very expensive to make, and the setup was chunky like mad. And at this moment, the people who created the graphics that they used were called designers, and the people who animated the graphics were called animators. So now we're going to fast forward to the 90s, and the 90s was amazing because computers got more affordable, cheaper and faster. And with the release of software like Adobe Illustrator, Adobe After Effects and Adobe Premiere Pro, it made it more affordable for more people to get into animating and design. So when the internet, became a thing, the demand for more animators increased. And over the time, some designers started learning animation and some people that were animating before started learning designing. And that just created a whole subset of mutants we call motion designer. So basically, a motion designer is someone that creates graphics and also adds movement to them. So it is both, artistic and it is also technical. And to be very honest, it's a wide field that encompasses both editing, composting, and visual effects. It's really broad. Motion designers are very important to the creative process of any organization, and each motion designer has his own individual style and uniqueness that he brings to different kinds of work. Your motion designs can be in 2D, in 3D, and even in frame by frame. Motion design is like MTN. It's everywhere you go. It's involved in films, it's involved in events, it's involved in advertisement, it's involved in social media, it's involved in virtual reality, logo animation, explainer videos. It's much. Personally, for me, I started as a graphic designer and moved to motion designer as a way to bring my designs to life. And the thing with the boss brain is that the softwares are very similar, but with slight changes from app to app. There's always something to learn, and it's very exciting when you're a motion designer. It might be scary when you think about the amount of skills you have to learn, but as the popular phrase says, a journey of 1,000 steps, 1,000 miles. Correct me in the comment section. The journey of 1,000 something starts with a single step. There are a lot of materials online that can help you in your motion design journey, and you can also drop a sub to my channel because I will be dropping motion design content constantly on this channel. So are you going to start motion graphics? What are you struggling in motion graphics? If you already entered, let me know in my comment section. I'll be sure to get back to you. But until my next video, remember, improve every day, grow constantly, and dream endlessly. Thank you.